Welcome, friends. If you're part of the 5-day breathwork challenge, we are halfway through on day 3. I hope you're starting to feel the power of your breath, because in today's session, we will use that power to release all that no longer serves you and let go of the past. So today we perform 3 rounds of an energy awakening breathing technique where we breathe faster and stronger. You will breathe in and out of the nose or out of the mouth if that feels more comfortable. So as you inhale, you will lift the hands up above your head with the palms facing open. And as you exhale, you will clench your fists and swing your arms down. So it'll look something like this. Remember to go at your own pace and never force anything. You may feel tingly sensations in your fingers. It's all good. This is normal. It shall pass. If you feel any pain, please stop the practice and return to your natural way of breathing. So if you're ready, find a comfortable seated position where you feel your sit bones grounded, and let's begin. So place your hands in a mudra, connecting index and thumb on your knees. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Simply connect to the rise and fall of your breath as you welcome the present moment. Let's take this time to set our intention to release all that may be weighing us down and let go of the past, so we can experience joy and inner peace in the present moment. So let's begin the first round. Exhale completely. Breathe in. Raise your hands. Out, clench. Keep going as if you're climbing up a mountain. Going at a pace that's comfortable for you. Few more breaths. Take your last inhalation, arms up. Exhale slowly as you bring your arms back on your knees. Relax your breathing. Feel the blood rushing through your arms. We are opening up the body, awakening our energetic system. Just let it all happen with a relaxed attitude. Beautiful. And if everything is feeling okay, let's prepare for the second round. Exhale completely. Breathe in, hands up and out. In, out, in, out. Good. Keep going, breathing fast and strong, opening up the body and letting go. Take a few more breaths. Last inhalation, hands up. Exhale slowly as the hands come back on your knees. Return to your natural way of breathing. Connect to the subtle sensations that are going on in the body. Maybe you feel a bit tingly in your fingertips. It's all good. We are slowly releasing. So if any emotions come up, let it happen with kindness. Beautiful. And now for the final round. I want you to think of what you are trying to let go of. Think of all that is weighing you down. For this round, we will work with our breath to release it. Let's begin. Exhale completely. Breathe in, hands up and out. Swing the arms. In, out, in, out. Good. Keep breathing like this, following my rhythm or going at one comfortable for you. Good, a few more breaths here, make them count. Last 3 breaths. Last inhalation, hands up. Exhale slowly, bring the hands back on the knees in a mudra. Relax your breathing. Let go of any control as you scan through the body from the top of your head all the way down, deepening your awareness to what's happening within. Feel your heart beating, the blood flowing. You did an amazing job working with the breath. Now sit in this peaceful presence, allowing everything to return to balance. beautiful. You can continue sitting, or you can end the practice with me by gently moving your fingers. Rub the palms of your hands together and bring your hands together with the thumbs over to your third eye. Bow down, generating a sense of gratitude. Place your palms over your eyes. Massage your face muscles, jaw, and the rest of your body with love. May you be blessed with peace, joy, and strength. Namaste. Thank you, my friends. We are halfway through our 5-day challenge. If you enjoyed this practice, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks again, and I'll see you tomorrow.